all very welcome. We're going to have a cracking night tonight. We'll have a session after. And I'll tell you what, you're going to love that CD so much, you're going to come back and buy another few copies. My lover sailed across the water. My lover sailed across the sea. My lover sailed into the deep, deep blue of a loving heart far away from me.
Rise again, speed, bunny, go like a bird on the wing, onward sailors fly. Kalilalad was born to be king over the sea, the sky.
Foolish man, that sure enough sounds like hell. You're my own half the world, but you're not only as well. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. His own are full of tears. She was warm and she was lovely, but she was so alone. She couldn't break the circle round him. Now she's gone. Start to finish, he hardly uttered a sound. He came to the last chorus, joined in the words. His voice full of pain, littered with grief. But our voices joined together and there found some peace. who's left and right. Welcome to the land of hope and glory. Thank you for the welcome to the land of the free. To the green and pleasant land, from Glasgow down to the Strand. This land was made for you, but not for me. Call me Pat, call me Paddy, call me Mick, call me Shawnee. I'll ride o'er the crest of your unspoken hate. Call me tinker, call me traveller, call me blind, drunken rambler. I'll ride o'er the crest of your unspoken hate. Prisoners all around the world, from Bagram to Guantanamo, from Belmarsh down to the Joy. We hear your voice, you're not alone. Big strength and love, here I stand, a father and a man for my son. For justice from this land that makes and it fades, that shakes the scales of justice so that none can be had. So that none can be had. Giuseppe Conlon died 1981 in a British prison. Rest in peace. We'll all go together through that wild mountainside, all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? Back from the mended road I crossed, taking time, check the dial, turn the wheel, and the lily white never knew her name. She'll be passing my way sometime again. Back from the mended road I crossed, taking time, check the dial, turn the wheel, and of Lily White never knew her name. She'll be passing my way